Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my kitchen, to Jay's kitchen. Today we are making groundnut soup. You guys, we are making, guys remember the native kind of groundnut soup that we used to do when we were still little in Nigeria. This is the way, that on a budget, delicious groundnut soup. You guys, all you need is your fish, your meat independently, whatever you think is preferable for you, you can use it. But your main ingredients that you are needing is your groundnuts, your Maggi, your salt, your pepper. That is what you need for the soup. Boil the water with the meat water. You are going to start adding your ingredients into the soup. You guys, I remember when I was little, my grandmother used to cook this native groundnut soup for me. I said when I did it today, even myself, I was overwhelmed that I cooked this food. I have been craving for this for quite some time, and I called my grandmother and she told me how to make it. Oh, you guys, it is not easy. This food there, even my friends, they are a testifier to the food. It was delicious. They even told me that it has been a long time since they ate this kind of groundnut soup. Not the modern version, the old version. You guys, you can add in whatever you like to the soup, so you can make it too. It's a very easy thing. In 20 minutes you are done with your soup. Make your stash and enjoy your soup. Hi, you guys, I see me say as I am doing this video again, it's like I'm re-eating the soup. Don't mind me, but that is how I am. So guys, if you enjoy this video, as always, I like to say this: please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and comment in this video. Okay, you guys, so the ingredients I used fish, bomo, crayfish, salt, Maggi, and your main ingredient, groundnut. Without groundnut, what are you going to do now? So you need groundnut. First of all, put your meat to boil, and the mixed stock, you are going to add in all your ingredients. Let it cook so that the meat will be well prepared. What I did is that I let the fish boil for some few minutes, and then I took the fish out, and then later on I added the fish to the soup, because we don't want our fish to be scattered. You all know now, when we are cooking, we are always turning, missing, and the fish gets scattered in your soup, and you don't get to see it, to eat it very well. So you guys, if you try this recipe, make una let me know. All my Nigerian people, we are on a day here. Oh yeah, mona they leave on a comment right now. So guys, before I start mixing English and pidgin together, I can't go talk, cut my tongue. Now wahala be that too. So let me know in the comment section. I'm hoping and expecting you guys' comment. Thank you so much for watching. I would see you all in my next video. Bye guys.